Hey all, wanted to share some thoughts I've been having about the recent introduction of more AI tools into Atlassian products. Yeah, I think they're a great thing. I think they're going to help a ton of people, especially those users who only go in once or twice a week or even less frequently, find what they need. It's going to help the vast majority of people who don't have the time or energy or skill set to learn JQL or to learn exactly how the structure of a Confluence space is set up to find what they need. Being able to go in and just type in a sentence that will get me the information or ticket or page that I need and not having to fight with it is huge. This is going to eliminate a lot of the friction and frustration a lot of folks feel. Now, without these tools, there's only a couple of options most people have, and one of them is not getting the information they need. Many times, folks can't get the ticket or the page or the thing because they don't know how to find it. And this just makes it harder to do their job. So, in my mind, any tool that lets you find the thing is helpful. Another hurdle this overcomes is having to learn how to query or how to search or the exact right path to put in a ticket. We all have a lot of things going on, and many people are not going to choose to learn SQL. And that's okay. There's nothing wrong with not wanting to learn SQL or JQL or how to structure pages. The other thing this will help eliminate is the need to go ask someone else to do the thing for you. Instead of having to go find an analyst or someone who knows JQL or the right way to put in a ticket, I can just ask the computer. This removes a barrier to access and again makes it easier to get what I want. Now, all that said, it's still important in my mind that folks do learn SQL or JQL or how to structure the page. I think this for a couple reasons, but one, it will help you learn and understand how the system is working. I don't ever want to be in a situation where I can't explain how the information I'm looking at got to me. Because if I present that or give that to someone else and they ask me, I really can't say, I don't know. I really need to understand and unpack everything that's happening. So understanding even a little bit of SQL or JQL will let me look at that and then explain it to someone else. Now, knowing one of these languages or some of these other tools, using the AI will help me improve that skill as well. I can write out my question in English and then see the JQL that gets me that information. This can clue me into different ways to use the tool to make me even better at using it. And in some cases, the tool might not be available, or maybe it doesn't work the way I expected, or maybe I don't know the right prompt. And I can always go write my own queries and access the data on my own. I also feel that learning how to do these things myself makes me a little bit smarter in ways that I wouldn't be otherwise. Forcing myself to sit down and learn SQL multiple times has helped me think more like an analyst, has helped me better understand the data in my systems than if I just get a report showing me the number of records that meet some criteria. So these tools are great. They are really going to shrink that distance between searching and finding or thinking and doing and eliminate a ton of frustration that doesn't need to exist. That said, we should still be making time to understand the underlying processes that make that work so we can understand how it's operating and make ourselves a little bit stronger too. So, what do you think? These tools probably aren't just going to magically disappear and they're only going to become more prevalent. Do you think they're helpful for us? Do you think they're going to speed us up or maybe impair our ability to learn? Drop something in the comments. And also like and subscribe to keep getting updates from me about Atlassian products and other systems related topics. Thanks again for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in another one of these soon.